Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews and insights on today's hottest products. Today, we're blasting off with the best Kid Astronaut costume available in the market, the Spooktacular Creations Astronaut Costume with Helmet for Kids. This costume isn't just any costume. It's a portal to space adventures right in your living room. Let's dive into what makes this costume out of this world. First up, let's talk about the design. Crafted with meticulous detail, this costume features a realistic astronaut suit complete with a detachable helmet. It's perfect for young space explorers aged 3 years and up, ensuring both safety and comfort during cosmic missions. Quality matters, especially when you're aiming for the stars. The Spooktacular Creations astronaut costume is made from durable materials, designed to withstand intergalactic adventures and multiple washes. Parents will appreciate its longevity and easy maintenance. What's an astronaut without their helmet? This costume includes a sturdy helmet that completes the look and sparks imaginative play. It's a must-have accessory for any aspiring astronaut ready to explore new galaxies. Comfort is key, especially for our little space travelers. This costume offers a snug fit without compromising on mobility, allowing kids to moonwalk, stargaze, and even reach for the stars with ease. Priced competitively, this costume offers great value for money. It's not just an outfit, it's a gateway to endless adventures, making it a standout choice among parents and caregivers alike. In conclusion, the Spooktacular Creations astronaut costume with helmet for kids is more than just a costume, it's a ticket to imagination and exploration. Whether for Halloween, dress-up parties, or everyday play, this costume delivers on quality, comfort, and, most importantly, fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest reviews and product insights here on Product Critique. Until next time, keep exploring.